Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Canon model supports NFC and turning on the camera's wireless or NFC function. This lets devices discover each other. Next, make sure battery is above 50% and a card is inserted, because transfers stop if power drops. Install and open the Canon app on your phone and enable phone NFC plus location services so pairing is allowed. Once done, set the camera to communication mode and leave the LCD on. This prepares both devices to connect immediately. You now hold the phone over the camera's NFC mark until you feel a tap or see a pairing prompt. This initiates the handshake quickly. When the Canon app opens, accept the connection and choose whether to import images, use remote shooting, or view settings. Each option uses the same secure link. If a large RAW batch is selected, transfers may switch to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure you select the correct destination folder on the phone so files land where you expect them. Finish by checking that files open on your phone and then properly close the Canon app. Turn off the camera's Wi-Fi or NFC to conserve battery. If pairing fails, try toggling NFC on both devices, restart them, remove any phone case, and hold devices closer. This resolves most magnetic interference issues. For persistently slow transfers, switch to the camera's hotspot, reduce image resolution temporarily, or export via the memory card and a reader. These options get your files quickly without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.